Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design shock absorber handle in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. For unit, we use millimeter unit, so ensure select in millimeter gram second. We start draw from front view, so right click on front plane and click sketch. First step, just draw two circle like this and set for dimension. This hole have diameter in 12 and outer circle have radius in 12, so diameter in 24. Just input in here in 12 millimeter and second circle in 24 millimeter like this. After that, just draw line here to here and to this. Set for distance. Ensure this point and this center. Click Ctrl and click Make Vertical. Then set for distance. This to this and 25 millimeter. Then draw 3-point arc from this to this. Ensure this arc and this circle. Just click Make Tangent. Then set for radius in 18 millimeter like this. Then we can to set for this have width in, we can see in here section view here have it in 20 millimeter, so this edge in 20 millimeter like this. Then after we make sketch like this, we can do trim entities for this. Click OK. After we make sketch like this, just make line from here to here like this with line. Draw from here here and click A on your keyboard like this. Click A again on your keyboard and this. Ensure this point click Make Tangent. This point click Make Tangent. This point click Make Tangent and this point click Make Tangent. Can set for distance. This face to the center in 30 millimeter. So this line to this have distance in 30 millimeter. This and this center to this center have distance in 70. Input in 70 millimeter. This, and don't forget to set for radius 6 and here have radius in 26, so here in 6 millimeter and here have radius in 26 millimeter like this. Then don't forget to set for this center to this line or this face in 35, so this center to this sets in 35 millimeter like this. So we can to set for dimension here, this line to this center, we can see in here have a radius in 7, so automatically in here in 7 millimeter too. So this center to this center we can set in 7 millimeter. So input in here in 7 millimeter for this center to this line. Okay. After that, just click Offset Entities. Parameter in here offset in 20 millimeter because width in here is 20. Set in 20 millimeter offset distance, and just click this line, this line, this line, this line and this line. Then we can do checklist on cap ends, just like line or choose lines. Click OK and done like this. It's so simple like this. Then we can to make two circle in here. First circle have diameter in in here in 10 millimeter, and second circle have diameter in 20 millimeter, like this, like this. So ensure this center. To click midpoint, just click make horizontal. Okay. After that, we can to make line like this. With select line, draw here, and click A on your keyboard. This to this. Ensure this line and this line click make equal. In here, automatically reduce intent. It's correct. And here, the center to this hole or center have written in 50 millimeter. So this to this in 50 millimeter. Then this line to this center have distance, and we can see in 25 millimeter. 25 millimeter, like this. Then don't forget to make hole in here. Draw circle. Set for diameter in 10 millimeter, like this. Okay. After we make sketch like this, it's so simple, and input all dimension appropriate this drawing on sketch like this, and input all dimension like this. Just like feature and click extrude boss or base. For selected contour, first select the sketch. Direction we can change in mid plane to symmetry part. Total in here do it in 36. So I input in here in 36 millimeter. Click OK. And click again on sketch 1 and extrude boss or base. Click this sketch and this sketch. Direction is same in mid plane, but in here thickness in here in 14 millimeter. In here in 14 millimeter. For width in 14 millimeter, click OK. Click again sketch 1 and click extrude boss or base. Just select this sketch. Now the width in 25 millimeter. So I input in here in 25 millimeter. Click OK. And click again sketch 1, click extrude boss or base. Just select the sketch in 36. Same like this. So just input in here in 36 millimeter. Click OK. Then we can to cut in here. Make a cut in here. So right click on top plane and click sketch. Now draw corner rectangle from this to this. Ensure this midpoint, click Ctrl and click this center. Just select make horizontal and set for width in here in 20 millimeter, and this to this have distance in 10. This line to this edge in 10 millimeter. And in here also draw corner rectangle. Draw here to here. Ensure this midpoint and this center, click Ctrl and just click make horizontal. Now for width in 20 millimeter, and for the length in here in we can hide, we can delete here. For distance here to this center in 15. So this line to this edge in 15 millimeter, like this. After that, we can to select feature, click extrude cut. For direction, change in through all both. Click OK and done, like this. It's so simple. And we can see in here have cut like this. So right click on this face and click sketch. First, just select offset entities, select this face and just click, sorry, we can click offset entities parameter in here, offset in here. We can see here have radius in 7, but in here in 20 total width this face to this face. So 20 minus 14, because diameter in 14 is 6 divided 2 is 3, so we can to offset in here in 3 millimeter for this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. Click OK and click again offset entities here in 3 millimeter. This we can reverse this, sorry, we can offset here this edge and this edge, this edge. Just click OK. We can check in here this line to this line have distance in 14. It's correct because in here have radius in 7, so distance in here in 14, like this. So after that we can select the convert entities, select this edge and this edge, click OK. Then we can do trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line and this line, and click OK. After you make sketch like this, just click feature and click extrude cut. For direction, change in blind, but for in here, for the dip in here in, we can see in here in 14 minus 8 is 6. 6 divide 2, because in here to cut in here is 3. So for the dip in here, just input in 3 millimeter. Click OK. After that, we can to mirror this cut, mirror feature, feature to mirror. Just click extrude cut to and mirror face or plane. Just select front plane. Click OK and done like this. And in here, don't forget to set for fillet radius in 7. Sketch, sorry, feature and just select fillet. Fillet parameter input in 7 millimeter. Just select this edge, and in here can select this edge and this edge. Same in here, this edge and this edge. Don't forget in here set in edge and this edge. Click OK and done. So in here have fillet in or each edge in radius 2 millimeter. So we can just set this fillet input in 2 millimeter. This edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. So input this edge, then this edge like this. Input here, here, like this face, this edge. Input here, select this edge and this edge, this edge, this edge, and here this edge, this edge, this edge, like this edge, sorry, this edge, this edge, this edge, edge, this, and here we can select again this edge fillet, this for fillet, and here, 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 and here, here for fillet. Just click OK like this. Okay, I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in the tutorial. But before we can to change for appearances in here, or select or change our material, just right click on this material and edit material. We can set, for example, in galvanized style, and apply, close. Okay, it's so simple to make a shock absorber handle in SolidWorks for learning like this. So I think that's enough. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching alien video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.